Hi everybody, welcome to Alma Candy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous Louis Vuitton Neo Alma BB. And this one is in black leather, and you can see it's got the Louis Vuitton monogram embossed leather there. It's got two rounded top handles. On the bottom we've got four base studs with the Louis Vuitton engraving on them. On the double zip opening here we've got one zip there, and then on the other zip we've also got the Louis Vuitton padlock, and the keys for that are just on this little cloche which is on the handles. So I'll show you the inside. So inside we've got that contrasting colour microfiber lining, and we've just got one slip pocket there, and then just the rest of it is just one open section. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior, the interior and the hardware all excellent. There's no marks to be seen. It looks practically unused. I'll just show you the inside again. As you can see, it looks perfect in there. No marks or scratches or anything like that. So this one is coming with, we've got a generic bag liner that goes inside it, which is obviously going to really help keep that condition in perfect condition. We've also got the Louis Vuitton envelope, and in here we've got the care card just there, and we've also got the Louis Vuitton receipt, and we've also got the Louis Vuitton box again just to keep it protected with the dust bag as well. There we go. This one also comes with a removable strap, so I'll just pop that on so I can show you what it looks like with the strap, and I'll show you the size as well. So of course we've got it with the strap, so you can have it as a crossbody like that, or without the strap you can have it just as a little clutch with the handles. So for the exact size of this bag, I suggest you go to our website. You'll find the link to this bag in the description. Hopefully it will take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, we're really sorry, that does mean it's sold out. But you can still get on our request list. If you send us over an email and let us know that you like this bag, we'll pop you on our request list, which just means that you'll get an alert every time we get in a bag just like this. And that applies to any bag that you like as well. So any bag that you fancy, pop us over an email and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, the exact measurements for this bag will be on our website, in the link in the description below. But just for reference, I am size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is where it sits on me, and I'll show you again as a crossbody. Just sits there on me. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". So on our website, you'll find more details about this bag. You'll find loads more bags as well. And if you scroll to the bottom of any page that you're on the website, you'll find the sign up to our newsletter option. And I suggest you do that, because if you do that, you can get your welcome discount code, and we'll send that over in an email. If it doesn't go straight to your email folder, check your spam or your junk folder, because it might have gone into there. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you've got any bags that you would like to sell with Alma Candy, then you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us on there. And that's all I've got for you. So see you later with some more Alma Candy.